So let's take a moment to breathe into this time of meditation. Just open your heart to this music, sound. Become comfortable where you are. Inhaling and exhaling. Even if your phone's going off, it doesn't matter. No one cares. And if they do, it's their spiritual practice. Divine timing. Patience.
In the silence there is peace. In the silence there is unspoken joy. In the silence there's release from a world full of chaos and noise. So I wait for these precious moments when I hear all that could never be said. And right here in this holy silence, I find peace, I find myself.
So we breathe into this time of meditation, allowing ourselves to step apart for a while. A few moments, a few breaths doesn't always seem important, but it can be everything. So we close our outer eyes and open our inner awareness, knowing God is right where we are. God is, I am. The same force that keeps this very universe in motion, that created this physical body temple with a liver, with lungs, with a heart, with organs, with systems, with eyes, with ears. That is what designed me. That is what has the pulse of my life in its hands. The same system I see outside of me, where the winter comes and everything dries up and descends into the earth, then brings the showers and the sun, and day by day, moment by moment, unfolds the flowers. That is the force at work in my life. So wherever I am in the journey, on the path, in this moment, whether it's in the midst of gorgeous flowers or in the midst of turbulent showers, I can trust. I can breathe. I can know that I am whole and holy, that this life is whole and holy. I can breathe into patience, trusting divine timing, trusting the practice, letting go of looking to outer circumstances to see for confirmation or affirmation, and diving into the stillness, breath by breath, moment by moment, in the silence. by the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know that we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. Inhaling and exhaling in gratitude for the life we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. And so it is. Namaste.